নমস্কাৰ সকলোকে সাইন্টিফিক টেম্পাৰামেণ্ট চেনেললৈ আমি স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ নৱপ্ৰজন্মৰ বৈজ্ঞানিক উন্মেষ আপোনালোকে দেখি আছে শুনি আছে কিশোৰীসকলে কি চিন্তাধাৰাৰে নতুন নতুন বিষয় লৈ পেলাই তেওঁলোকে প্ৰকল্প বা প্ৰাণীসমূহ প্ৰস্তুত কৰি আছে আৰু এনেদৰে আমাৰ পৰ্যায় চলি থাকিব আপোনালোকৰ মাজত যদি তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কিবা ভিডিঅ' বা প্ৰকল্প দেখিছে আপোনালোকে সুন্দৰভাৱে আমাক পঠিয়াই থাকক আমি প্ৰত্যেকটো ভিডিঅ' বা প্ৰকল্প বা আৰ্হি আমি শিশুসকলৰ আপোনালোকৰ আগবঢ়াই আছোঁ চাওকচোন এই কিশোৰীসকলৰ চিন্তা কিমান বৈজ্ঞানিক কিমান কাম কৰিব পাৰে আমিহে কৈ থাকোঁ আমি পিছপৰা কিন্তু আমাৰ প্ৰকল্পই ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় আন্তঃৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় পৰ্যায়ত খলকনিৰ সৃষ্টি কৰে এয়া চাওকচোন
Namaste everyone, I am Sudarshana Saikya from District Majli and I have participated in the National Children's Science Congress 2018 and in that time I have represented my district Majli in the state level of Assam and along with me my partner Vishraj have helped me as well as my guide teacher Bhaskar Jyoti Payan and we have together done the project on making ink of different colors. We know the importance of ink in our day-to-day life and we are very concerned about that. So concerning about our concern about that situation of ink, we have thought of this project and we know that ink is a liquid substance that is widely used in the global world to represent many things. It is also said as that a pen is mightier than a sword and a pen is useless without ink. So we have our main aim and objective was to prepare a better quality of ink with efficient and cheap cost. So for that we have made our hypothesis and our hypothesis is to make homemade ink of different colors. Though the continuous experimentation, we found different mixture that can be termed as our best homemade ink of different colors. So, doing that project, we need to prepare a procedure or what we call as methodology. So, our methodology was that to prepare a homemade ink of different colors we have planned before each and every experiment that we have done. So, we have collected various materials that can be used, that can have a color and that is a dye. And we have taken some of the chemicals from our laboratory also. So we took one constant variable for 5 consecutive experiments for 5 consecutive variables and we even made experimental design. So then we have proceeded our experiments with grinding, mixing and boiling and we noted which mixture was the highest and was of better quality. So data analysis. Here I have put it all my data where I have rated the ink of having 5 main variables with 4 constants. So the first red color denotes here turmeric, the blue color denotes saffronine staining solution, the green color denotes marigold leaves, the black color denotes rose juice, and the yellow color denotes hibiscus juice. So these 4 are the different constants that we have taken. From experiment 1 to 5 we have taken calcium hydroxide as the constant. From experiment 6 to 10 we have taken sodium carbonate as the constant, and from experiment 11 to 15 powdered rice was constant, and in experiment 16 and 17 we have taken phenolphthalein as the constant. So after doing all these, we came to a conclusion, we came to the result of the experiments. And by the way, let me tell you that we have taken the opacity level of the inks as well as their action towards capillary motion. So we, after doing all the experiments, we found out that the mixture of turmeric with sodium carbonate was rated the highest, which has the better quality among all, and it can be termed as the best ink that we prepared. So it followed capillary motion, and it has the highest opacity level. So during after the all analysis and results, we came to a conclusion that whatever material that we use as dye, and whatever thing that we have done in our project, we have tried to make it as ink, and we have forced that material to follow capillary motion, as the ink needs capillary motion to write in a paper, in a piece of paper. So we therefore conclude that an improvised ink of using marigold leaves, red rose, then we have turmeric, that would be a very convenient way and cheap, that because these ingredients are available in our homes too. So these are very commonly used products, so it can be prepared very easily in our homes. So talking about future plan, if we have, then moreover, I would say that if we get time in our future, we would certainly keep on going on that project, and we will love to use more materials and more time on that things, and we'll research more on that, and we would certainly follow the method of investigatory science, which would lead us to perform much better projects. So, after doing all these experiments, all these conclusions, we would love to thank our teachers, our elders, our parents, our guide teacher, as well as my co-partner, who have helped a lot in the project. And that's all. Thank you.